The Alfelix Flossing Toothbrush Combo is a versatile two-in-one device that combines brushing and flossing capabilities for a comprehensive oral care routine. This innovative product offers 3 flossing modes and 5 brushing modes, allowing users to customize their experience for optimal gum health and teeth cleanliness. Equipped with an advanced timer and intelligent charging technology, the toothbrush encourages proper brushing habits and ensures the battery is well maintained. With a pure cobalt battery and automatic shutoff feature, this toothbrush prioritizes battery protection and longevity, requiring only 6 to 8 hours to fully charge. The high-performance vibration frequency of the Alfelix toothbrush ranges from 150 Hertz to 260 Hertz, providing precision brushing for effective teeth whitening and deep cleaning. Designed with IPX7 waterproofing and travel-friendly features, this compact and lightweight combo is perfect for use in the shower and convenient to pack for trips.